part of being efficient, and doing things in a way that helps you, well, not only stay focused, but makes it easier for you, is when you streamline your activities and whatever it is that you're doing. So what this means is you do everything you can so that it becomes easier. And well, one analogy would be, if you're going to the gym, you get your your gym shoes ready, and you get your outfits right next to the door. But when you're doing work and you're doing um, any projects, whatever it is, you find a way to make it so that it's you only have to press one shortcut, let's say, on your computer, or you only anything that makes it easier for you to do the job, even if it's tiny, even if it's just a few milliseconds or a small amount that you save. It's still worth it, because every little bit counts, and it helps you in achieving your goals, because it what what'll happen is that eventually it will compound, and then you will be doing things at a much faster rate than the average person can do. And that only comes from sort of the streamlining process that you go through. And not only that, but your muscles will get faster too, your mind will get faster, and then in this case your environment, you're actually physically changing your environment so that it matches what you need at the moment. So